Good day, ma'am. We are Group 6 and this is our laboratory exercise 21. Programming using counter CPU.
Grabe, nagtitinto ka pala.
Pare, napakaroon pa niyo na. Pare naman po ay count up. Five. Sapa po, 4-5. Yan. Reset. Sapa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reset. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.